Okay, this is a quick review on the Brunton Lamplight 360. You can see the main unit right here. Here's just a quick look at the retail packaging. This is where the main unit would be and where the batteries that comes with it would be. Taking a look at the back, let's just take a quick look at the specs. Weighs 7.1 ounces with 2 AA batteries. Again, I mainly use just one AA. Can work with DC or AA batteries. Doesn't say you can work with AAA, but they work just as good as the AA's in this flashlight. It has a runtime up to 43 hours on the high setting, which is going to be with a D cell battery. As far as the low setting, I don't even want to know. The difference between low and high is the high is 65 lumens, the low is 22 lumens. Again, if you use the low setting, it's going to be an extremely long runtime. As far as my own testing with AA batteries, and I mean cheap dollar store batteries, I've gotten generally 7 to 8 hours worth of usable light out of just a single battery. So what makes this light work really well is not only the omnivore battery technology, which you can see right here, but also is this 360-degree Dynasty LED. This is the weirdest LED I've ever seen. It's a side firing LED, and I don't know if I can zoom in good enough, but it doesn't fire forward. It's a single module with multiple LEDs on there. I've never seen anything like this before, but let me go ahead and power it on, and I don't think you can tell, but it is side firing only. It's not firing up at all, so it spreads the light out evenly out to the sides, which actually works better than some of the brighter lanterns that I've seen before. As far as the flashlight mode, just close this orangish diffuser down, and that's the high mode, 65 lumens, which is okay. I mean, it's not going to be as bright as most other normal LED flashlights, just because this has sort of an area light going on with it. It's not very focused. This is an 85 lumen focused light, and you can see there's quite a bit of difference in between it. But the main purpose for this purchase for me was to get this lantern mode, which works great. And high mode, again, you get pretty long runtime. I get generally 7 to 8 hours, and I can see everything in a large room. Say something like a kitchen, a bathroom, a living room, or a bedroom, which I've tested this light in pitch blackness multiple times. I've been able to see everything. I might not be able to read text more than 3 feet away from it, but as far as seeing basic items like where the toilet is, or where the bed is, or the desk or something like that, and I'm not stubbing my toe, this works good. And I really didn't buy this as my main lantern. My main lantern is going to be, you know, a typical fluorescent camping lantern, which puts out over 400 lumens. What I got this for is to work in between the lantern and the flashlight. Obviously, my main camping lantern is going to be for lighting when I need to do specific things like read text or work on something. The flashlight's going to be when I'm searching for something, and I didn't have anything in between that would be low power and also very efficient. So that's what I got this for. This is just a general illumination, sort of like a night light for me in an emergency situation or a camping situation where I'm not using up my main lantern or using up my flashlight batteries. So that's just a quick review of the Brunton Lamplight 360. Before I go, I almost forgot. Let me show you the omnivore battery technology. Right now I have a single AA in here that I've been using for a while. Dollar store battery, as you can see. Anything says super heavy duty is anything but. Here's a C cell battery. Just a quick look at the battery compartment, and I'm also going to be putting in a AAA. You just line up the notches here. Give it a slap if it doesn't work right, and that's just because the battery's not fitting right in there sometimes. High mode, low mode, 65 lumens and 22 lumens. And even though the package says, you know, AA, C cell, and D cell, here's a AAA battery that will work fine also. So let's just put that right here. Again, lining up the notches, and I'm probably going to have to give it a slap. Another slap. Okay, there we go. And doesn't matter what size battery you put in here, they're always going to be as bright because this is a 1.5 volt lantern. So you can see everything runs in parallel, positive, 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 and positive, not positive, negative, like you will see in most other flashlights. So this is only 1.5 volts, which works out quite well. So just thought I'd do this quick review for you guys. I know some people on Amazon want to see this, and also if anyone comes to YouTube and wants to see this, they'll be able to do that also. So thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace.